5 a.m. already. Come get ready with me. I like to shower first thing in the morning with the invigorating mint body wash. Keep my whole grooming routine in the trusty dusty Pete and Pedro dot kit. So now after doing my skincare routine, applying my deodorant, and the best powder on the market, which I have spared you the visual details of, I'm gonna start working on my hair. So next we're gonna move on to hair product. I've been using the Pete and Pedro Soft Putty. It's amazing. Sometimes you just need a trim with the mustache scissors and comb kit, and you can't forget to show your beard a little TLC. Last but not least, I can't leave the house without applying a fragrance. I use this travel atomizer so I can take my fragrance with me. Pete and Pedro makes an amazing atomizer, and I filled it with Rebel, so I can reapply whenever I need to. That's it, guys. Everything you see here can be found at peteandpedro.com, but I gotta get to work, so see ya.